Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class on the 29th of March at the Kenn Centre. We did first move, a man spin, a Wurlitzer and a short comb. Links in the description below if you need a more detailed teach on each of those moves. This is just to show you how they all join together. So, starting off with the first move, it went like this. It went 7 and 8. We went back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return. Then we did the man spin where we went through, we caught in the left, went to two hands for the Wurlitzer, came in flat, prepared, spin, caught in the right for the short comb, straight over the guy and back to the left, ready to go back into the first move. And that was it. Hope you've enjoyed that. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out if you've got your notifications turned on. Music recommendation is something nice to practice to on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.